Hi everyone, welcome to Cody's Craft. For today, I will share with you how to make a gift packet. You can put anything inside this packet for small items. Well, the materials required for this craft are here I have a designed colored A4 size paper. Well, we need a tape, a double-sided tape, a pen, a ruler, a paper cutter, and a scissor. So these are the things that we need for this craft today. This is the packet that I am going to show you how to make. It is simple and easy. You will be thrilled to know that it is so simple to make this packet. So let's get started. So with the A4 size colored paper, I would first put a mark of 10 centimeters on the top, and usually I do it down too. I take the 10 centimeters here, and I would put the ruler on the marks that I've marked it on the paper and use the paper cutter to cut the paper like this. So here we have a rectangular shaped paper, and the next thing we need is the tape. We have to put the tape on 3 sides of the paper. First, we will put it on this side, the shorter side of the paper, and press the tape on the paper nicely. Here I have to cut more of the tape like this. These tapes you would get anywhere in the stationery shop, and you can order it online from Amazon too. So it is easily available in the market. So here I've put it on one side, and here now this is the last side of the paper that we're going to put the tape. So we just have to press it nicely, and here we cut it. So the fun part right now is that I have to take out the paper. I have to peel the paper from the tape. I always have a difficult time of doing this. So if any of you have any suggestions of how to peel this paper from the tape, kindly leave it on the comment down, because it's quite difficult for me. I really have a very tough time of peeling this. I know there would be a technique, so I really have to find out how to peel the paper from the tape. And if you do have a suggestion, please do leave it on the comments down below. Share it with me. I would love to know. Oh, it's really tough. Oh, here. Yes, so please be patient with me of this craft that I'm doing right now, because this really takes a long time to peel the paper from the tape. Oops, again, I have to peel it nicely. Hopefully I can do it now. Okay. Oopsie. Yes, there it goes. Okay, so now we will put the side which has a tape on top, overlap it on top of the other side of the paper, the end of the paper, like this, and press it nicely. And here we have a cylindrical shape, and just at the bottom we'll just press it like this. So this is the shape that we need for this packet. Next week I have it's my friend's birthday, and I'm planning to gift her a nail polish. So this is a small gift where I can keep in this packet, and here it goes. So I'll just keep it inside. You can also leave a note, but I will be making a card for her, so I need not to put it inside, and I'll just press this. So this is it. Well, I like it like this. It's simple, it's nice without putting any designs, but some people do like it to have a design on the packet. So I'm just going to cut a zigzag design on this packet right now. Well, you can also use those design scissors that you have, the blades, this design blades, so you can use those. I think I've bought a Faber-Castell scissor blades, and they have designs on it. Right now I'm not using that, so I'm just cutting it like this. So this is the complete craft, the packet that I've made. This is for my friend, and yes, this is just a sample that I showed earlier. So let's see what's inside of this. I hope my friend will like it, but yes, I have to make another one because I'm tearing it off right now. So this is how the packet will look like. So it's fun, it's nice. I hope all of you have enjoyed watching this video, and do try, and if you have any queries, kindly get back to me on the comment side. Bye, have a nice weekend.